Do not wait for the first yellow spots on the leaves of your tomatoes or cucumbers, because that is exactly how the problem begins that causes many gardeners to lose a large part of their harvest. At first, the plant looks almost healthy, and then suddenly the leaves turn yellow, dry out, and the fruits stop growing properly. Many people think the plant simply needs more water or fertilizer, but the real problem is often much more serious. Besides fungal diseases, tomatoes are also very often attacked by aphids and small flies that further weaken the plant and slow down its growth. Blight and powdery mildew most commonly appear after humid days, rain, and sudden temperature changes. Today, I will show you a simple homemade protection spray that I use preventatively before diseases even attack the plant. This mixture can also help reduce aphids and small flies that often attack tomatoes during warmer days. The best part is that you probably already have most of the ingredients at home. First, I pour half a liter of lukewarm water into a container. It is important that the water is not cold because the ingredients combine much better in lukewarm water. Now I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps because it creates unfavorable conditions for fungi on the surface of the leaves, and many gardeners use it at the very first signs of powdery mildew and blight. But now comes one ingredient that makes this entire mixture much stronger and helps the solution stay on the plant much better. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of neem oil. Neem oil is well known for helping with various fungal problems while also repelling some pests that further weaken the plant and slow down its growth. However, many people make a big mistake here. If you simply add the oil to water, it will stay separated and will not spread properly across the leaves. That is why I now add a few drops of organic dish soap, which acts as an emulsifier and helps the neem oil fully combine with the water. Because of this, the mixture evenly coats the leaves and works much more effectively on the plant. Wait about 1 hour for everything to combine properly, and then fill your sprayer. At this step, many people make the biggest mistake and spray during the strongest sunlight. Make sure to wait until sunset before spraying. Write in the comments if you have already noticed yellow leaves on your plants and whether you are going to try this. Greetings and good luck in the garden.